Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. So, let's get started. On your device, uninstall Facebook app. Once uninstalled successful, go to browser and on the search engine, type Facebook older version to install a new one. Click the first link, then look for a Facebook version March 2024 backwards. After selecting, click Download APK button. Once the downloading is finished, click on it to install the app. Of course, you have to log in your Facebook account once again. Next method, you have to uninstall Messenger app. Once done, do the same process on Facebook installation. Make sure to download the older Messenger version that is March 2024 backwards. After that, open your Messenger. You see, Meta AI has been removed. So, that's how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.